My friend, you are stronger than you think you are. Oo, kahit mag-isa ka, yon ang bonus. Welcome to another Real Talk. My name is Glenn. Pag-usapan natin, bakit ko nasabi yon? Alam mo, kaibigan, I know in this generation, in this society, it's all about socializing. It's all about, kailangan marami kang kaibigan or per se, kailangan mas-show na marami kang kaibigan. Kailangan malaki raw yung circle mo, popular ka. Totoo ba? Parang hindi, di ba? Kasi, isipin natin to kung yun ang basihan ng lahat, di ba? So if you've got 1,000 friends in the Facebook, Instagram, o social media, ibig bang sabihin nun, fulfilled ka? Ibig bang sabihin nun, strong ka? No, my friend. I beg to disagree. And I know in my heart that I'm speaking from experience because na-experience ko yun eh. So, that's why I'm so confident to share sa inyo, sa'yo, kaibigan, na hindi yon ang pagiging sukatan of being strong. In fact, is the opposite kagaya ng sabi ko. Alam mo, na-experience mo na ba mag-play ng basketball mag-isa? Or any sport? Hindi ba parang ang sarap ng feeling kapag may na-accomplish ka? Tapos, you can repeat it many times. Ulitin mo. Kung may mali, ulitin mo. Kung may tama, i-try mo to duplicate. Diba? Walang pressure ng crowd. Walang pressure na ibang tao na nagsasabi sa'yo, oh, this is how you do it. This is how to... No. Ikaw sa sarili mo ang nagdi-discover nun. Di ba ang sarap ng feeling? And that, my friend, is the number one point that I'm trying to make. Kapag mag-isa ka, hinuhulma ka, right, ng panahon. Hinuhulma ka ng Diyos. Kasi alam mo, sabi sa Bible, di ba? Philippians 4:13. And I know you're so familiar with it. Kung hindi ka man nagbabasa ng Bible, and fans ka ni Steph Curry, favorite verse niya yun, di ba? Ano sabi doon? I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. Di ba hindi naman sinabi doon, I can do all things through my friends, through the crowd, through my pack. Di ba? Ang sabi doon, through Christ. So, yon my friend ang susi. But in the generation now, in the society that we have, parang ang hirap makita, di ba? Kaya nga meron tayong real talk. Ito yung mga bagay na gusto kong ma-share sa inyo through experience, through the journey sa buhay ko para ma-realize nyo, makita nyo na merong mga bagay na hindi lang majority o yung nakikita natin na tama. Alam mo kasi kapag mag-isa ka, dun ka nakakakuha ng linaw. My number 2 point is, kapag mag-isa ka, hindi maingay, di ba? Sarili mo lang at ang Diyos. Kayong dalawa lang. So, mas naririnig mo siya. Hindi through crowds, hindi through applause. Well, as a human being, we need those as well. Hindi ko sinasabing, di ba, na mali rin yun. Pero what I'm trying to say here is, there's always two sides, di ba? So, kung mag-isa ka at may ginagawa ka, dapat maging proud ka kasi you are strong. You don't need others. You don't need the other applause. You don't need the validation of other people. So, di ba? Ang hirap nun. Kala mo. So, kung ginagawa mo siya ngayon, congratulations. Ayan ang applause mo. So, alam mo kasi, when we're alone, that's where we can see ourselves and the clear pathway on what we need to do. Mas malinaw kasi wala ngang mga validation, walang mga ingay sa labas, walang mga crowd na nagbubuyo or nagsasabi sa atin na ganito, ganun dapat. Ang ganda ng feeling kasi when you're alone, you can do things that, you can be proud of. And in reality, you should be proud of. Alam mo, 'pag nagawa ako ng kape sa bahay 'no, isang therapy ko 'yun, isang nagpapasaya sa akin 'yun. Kasi yung process na ako lang tahimik and I can focus and I can concentrate on what I am doing. Same being alone, my friend. Maniwala ka. Sometimes, isipin mo na parang lonely, no. Try mo. Sabihin mo sa akin, mag-comment ka after you tried it, that you have your own solitude, your own peace, you have your own things that you are doing. No pressure from other people, no showing to other people. Ikaw lang sa sarili mo. Magandang feeling. So sana kaibigan, na-encourage kita. Sana kaibigan, makita mo na being alone is not a sign of weakness. Being alone is not a sign of, may problem. Being alone is not a sign that you are weak. But it's the opposite. It's the opposite. And the key, as I always share with you, is having Christ in your heart. Okay? So, take care, my friend. And I hope to see you again next time. And I hope this resonates to you. So, appreciate your time as always. God bless. Stay peaceful. Stay loving. The best is yet to come. And you are stronger than you think. Okay? Bye. Till next time. Peace.